Welcome to our deep dive into the 2025 Ford Puma, a compact SUV that's making waves in the automotive world. Whether you're cruising through the city or hitting the open road, the Puma is designed to impress. Let's explore what makes this SUV a standout choice in its class. The 2025 Ford Puma is all about style and substance. Its bold, aerodynamic design is not just for show, it enhances performance, too. With a more aggressive front fascia and streamlined profile, the Puma is as sporty as it is functional. And with a range of vibrant colors and customization options, you can make the Puma truly yours. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that's both modern and spacious. Premium materials and finishes give the Puma a luxurious feel, while the updated infotainment system keeps you connected on the go. With features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless charging, the Puma ensures you're always in control. Under the hood, the Puma offers a range of powertrain options to suit your driving style. From the turbocharged 1.0-liter EcoBoost engine to the sportier 1.5-liter variant, there's a Puma for every driver. Plus, with hybrid and fully electric options, you can choose a model that aligns with your eco-friendly lifestyle. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Ford Puma. Equipped with Ford's Co-Pilot 360 suite, you'll benefit from advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control and automatic emergency braking. These technologies work seamlessly to keep you safe and confident behind the wheel. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or venturing off the beaten path, the Puma delivers a driving experience that's both comfortable and exhilarating. With its responsive steering and tuned suspension, every journey is smooth and enjoyable. The 2025 Ford Puma is available in several trims, each offering unique features to meet your needs. From the value pack base model to the luxury-laden higher trims, there's a Puma for every budget. And with competitive pricing, the Puma offers exceptional value in the compact SUV market. In a crowded segment, the Puma stands out. When compared to rivals like the Nissan Juke and Volkswagen T-Roc, the Puma excels in design, fuel efficiency, and safety. It's a strong contender that doesn't compromise. The 2025 Ford Puma is more than just a compact SUV, it's a statement of style, technology, and performance. If you're in the market for a vehicle that offers both versatility and innovation, the Puma should be at the top of your list. Be sure to explore all the options and find the Puma that's perfect for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. See you next time on